And joining us now to talk about this more in depth is attorney Andrew Stoltmann. Thank you so much for being here. As you know, this is Rex Heuermann's first court appearance since pleading not guilty. We know investigators have collected a lot more evidence from his home than they did before the arrest. So what do you expect we will see and hear today in court?
I think it's going to be a relatively straightforward hearing. This is a preliminary hearing. You may see the layout of some evidence, but I don't think it's going to be as expansive as what people are hoping to see. I think there's also a bail application. Obviously, given the charges against him, he won't be granted bail, but I think it's going to be relatively standard today.
And as you know, the DNA evidence linking Heuermann back to the crime scenes is pretty damning. How do you believe the defense will respond?
It's the old O.J. Simpson defense tactic: attack the police and attack the data collection methods. DNA has put more people into prison than anything other than the confession. So if the DNA is rock solid, then you have to attack the collection process. We saw it in O.J. Simpson's case. We see it in virtually every criminal case where DNA is at issue. So they will argue the police and the officers who collected the DNA were not sophisticated, were not trained properly, and because you have to attack the collection methods, because if that DNA comes in, I think it's game, set, and match for the defendant.
Got it. You can only imagine the implications on his family, his loved ones. And Heuermann's wife has opened up about the toll this investigation has taken on their family. Do you think she or her children may testify if this goes to trial?
That's a good question. I don't anticipate they would testify unless they were material witnesses to one of the crime, and it sounds like they aren't. And, you think about it. You have the victims who've been killed in this case, but you also have his family who are real victims. Assuming the wife and the kids didn't know about it, and there's no evidence that they did, they're victims too. Their lives have been turned upside down. It's absolutely tragic how their lives have also been ruined by this alleged monster.
So Heuermann is also the prime suspect in the killing of a fourth victim. We have about 30 seconds left, but how do you believe that will play out?
Well, I think cold cases are being opened all across the country, and they are looking for now trying to match up his DNA and also looking to see if the same MO was followed. I don't know at this point. There simply isn't enough evidence out there to establish it, but I can promise you police forces across the country are now looking at him as a potential defendant in these cases.
All right. Andrew Stoltmann, thank you for the breakdown. Appreciate you being here.
Anytime. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.